Hey everyone, and welcome back. I should be working on Old Pickle today, but I'm going to do something a little fun. Not that working on Pickle isn't fun, but I'm going to head to an auction. One of my favorite things to do. This is one guy's estate, the Terry Kimball estate, and this is auction number, I think 3 they've had, and they're going to have a couple more. So get the truck warmed up here. We're going to head that way. And this guy's got the goods. We're going to go see some Cushman Scooters and some hip Miss Motors. So get the truck warmed up and we'll head that way. I'll turn you back on when we get there.
Take some pictures of that. Good one. Please have a spare. Get those up there, your dad's on. Really? Yeah. He had an knack for picking things before they were popular. Yes, they was. But we growing up. It was not. My leg, it's all later in life. Okay, let me go ahead and hit FaceTime so I can get on the same page with those pieces, okay? See me? Okay, pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna flip-flop this real quick. I'm gonna get my wife out here so I can get these written down there, okay? Just a second. Way up. I'm checking this old Harley out. It looks pretty good. It's got a pretty good Whizzer here. Yeah, I got a Whizzer. Several Cushman things. They got all kinds of freaking. This guy. A couple of them completely, one rest of them more parts than anything. I'll send you a picture of this. When he walks in, you're on the farm.
Picture eating myself.
And you're talking about a car that's in good shape to restore is a good outfit. I know you can tell me when I get hard. One guy said he needed, he had two of them already. I know you can tell me when I get hard. $3,000. $3,000 in the mouth. $3,000 in the mouth. $3,000 in the mouth. $3,000. Well, $10 in the mouth. Well, $10 in the mouth. $10 in the mouth. $10 in the mouth.
$1,250.
Yep. Now 19, $1,800 in the now 19, give me 19, 19, $1,800 in the now 19, $1,800, 19, now 2,000, $2,000 in the now 2, give me $2,000 in the now 9, give me 21, $2,000 in the now 21, 21, 2,200 in the now 22, 21 in the now 22,
Now 26, I jumped in. Oh, 23.
$2,000 in the now 4, give me 24, 20 insert, 31, somewhere $3,000 number.
168.
You say that too often. I'll be phone a little bit Nelsie. It's $5 over 10. $5 over 10. Dale. Hey, sell the pedal car. Sell the pedal car. The 10's got up right there. Give me 75. 75. Sell the pedal car in the air right there. Who get 25? Let's go. Team, doing a little bit, not 15. I'll be doing a little bit, not 15, not 20. Soda, $80 got so in Jack's money. It's been a long time since I got some of his money. What's his number? 911? No, 203. 203. Hey, let's sell the barrel stand that Gary's got up right there, Tom. And Gary's got right there. Give me 35. Now 30. Now 35. Go to 35. Go to the bit, now 40. Go to the bit, now 40. Now 45. Go to the bit, now 50. Go to the bit, now 50. Now 55. That's a bicycle. Go to the bit, now 110. One more time. Go to the bit, now 110. Soda, $100 to number 10. Take my, give me hot on the mail. Out of the mail choice on the front table. Got team jumping to the button, not 20. Jumping to the button, not 20. I'll be jumping to the button, not 20. 20. 71. Out of the button, not 70. I sold it, $65 right there, number 103. You can come look, number 103. Hey, sell the John Deere pedal tractor. Got it in parts, guys. Got the John Deere pedal tractor in parts right there. Give me 50 and go. Down to the wheel. Number 73. Choice on the 3 kickstarts again on Ted's table right here. Give me 25 and go. 25. Got team coming with 50, not 20, 50 with 20, 20, 50 with 20, 55. Sold at $50. Let him come up here and look, and his number is 131. Oh, another one, not 20, another one, not 30, another one, not 30, another one, not 30. 30, I like her better. 30, now 35. Another one, not 35. Join the U more times. Another one, not 45. Sold at $40. Man, she's good, right? And it does pump the waters. Look what Gary's got. You turn that thing upside down, you can put it in there. It's got its own case, and you talk about a neat little piece Gary's got right here. 1100, not 12, 12, not 14 and a half. I sold it $1,700 right there to number 64. Number 64. Ted, it's okay. We still like it. We got to be a little rough with it. Down 350. Down 50. You want to enter another one, down 350. One more time. 335. Now 350. He's getting weak. 350. Now 360. Another one, down 360. Another one, down 360. Another one, down 360. Another one, down 360. I sold it 301. Jean's got right there. Got 100. Another one, down 220. Another one, down 220. One more time. Another one, down 320. Are you sure? Another one. Your wife's not here today. Another one. That's the best time to buy. Another one, down 320. One more time. Another one, down 320. Sold it $310. 118. 500. Choice on the first 2 right there. Give me 500. 100. Now 150. Another one, down 1100. Another one, down 11. That's choice on the 2. And it's my bid up front. I got 1,000. Now 1100. Another one, down 11. I'll be another one, down 11. Give me 10 and a half then. Another one, down 1050. I'll be another one, down 50. 50. Another one, down 1050. One more time. Another one, down 1050. It's my man. Another one, down 1050. I'll be another one, down 50. 50. Another one, down 1050. One more time. Another one, down 1050. I'll be another one, down 50. 50. Another one, down 1050. One more time. Another one, down 1050. You want it? Another one, down 1050. You want it? Another one, down 1050. I sold a $1,000 bill to number 85. You tell him which one you want. You tell him which one you want. Now we got the one down 8. Now 8. Now 850. Go to the one down 850. Go to the one down 900. 925. Go to the one down 925. I'll be down 25. Go to the one down 950. Go to the one down 975. I sold it $950 right there. Right here, give me 500. I got 2, now 3. Go to the one, now 300. Go to the one, now 16. I'll be 50 over the one, now 16. 15, 50 over the one, now 1600. You want it? 50 over the one, now 16. I sold it way in the back, $1,500. It goes on. He's a digging. Now we're going to sell choice on your 2 red Cushmans up here. We have no titles for those. All right, you'll have to file for a title. We do not have titles for those. All right, we're selling you choice on the 2 right here, Jeans or Dale's. Selling choice right there. Somebody give me 1,500 to go. 1,500, let's go on the first 2 right there. I got 500. Now see it. Another one, now see it. Another one, now 14 and a half. I sold it right there. $1,400. It goes on 268. You want both of them? We do have title for Harley, and it is a 1968. She was telling me 1968. Guys, sell the Harley. You like it? Good, attaboy. You're learning quick. You're learning quick. Hey, sell the Harley right there. A good looking outfit there. Somebody give me that 5,000 to go. 5,000, let's go on the Harley right there. Let's go. So I've got 2, now 3. Go to the one, down 3,000. Go to the one, down 3. Hey, go to the one, down 18 and a half. One more time. Go get 18 and a half. Now 19. 18, go to the one, down 19. 18, go to the one. Now don't lose that thing. You've been in the whole time. 18, go to the one, down 19. 18, you'll like this a lot better than those. 18, go to the one, down 19. One more time. 18, go to the one, down 19. Hey, sir, you ever change your mind? 18, go to the one, down 19. 18, go to the one, down 19. One more time. Give me 19,000. 19,000. 18, go to the one, down 19. 18, go to the one, down 19. 19, 18, go to the one, down 19. I sold it 18,500 to number, is that 175?
Kind of nasty weather, but Dad and I went to an auction today and we bought 14 engines for 30 bucks. Well, we did pay 20 for one of them because of the tank. I thought the tank might fit the little scooter, little Mitsubishi scooter. So we got that. I bought the cabinet to sell. So this one is a Cushman Husky. Somewhere there's a tag on that sucker. Find the tag for it. It's right there. So that one looks pretty complete. I've taken the kicker off, but I bought a couple motors or a couple engines that had kickers on them just for that mechanism. So we should be able to make that sucker go. Thinking for the kiddos, little golf cart maybe, or not golf cart, but go-kart. Pretty decent haul. know, this is the haul I ended up bringing home so that I can list some of these piece parts and get rid of them. I got a couple of brand new, well, they're not brand new, they're dirty. There's dirt in the treads, but fairly new tires. So those, paid $5 for the box that included those tires, these Cushman tires. This one's brand new. Front Cushman, and then looks like two other Cushman tires, and they're actually marked Cushman. This one also marked Cushman. Those are in pretty decent shape rim wise. There is another rim in here that was just too punky to actually do anything with, so I'll just recycle that one. But one brand new one there, and then that tire is good and the rim is good, and then these two rims are good. The tires are shot, but rims are good. Then paid $35 for this cabinet, and I'll list that, sell it. If you've watched the channel, you know that I have a huge draw to this type of cabinet, but that one's gonna go. I may actually put some hairpin legs on it and make a little stand for it and make a little coffee table out of it. Maybe someone might want it there. The toolbox, I paid $5 for this, and the reason I bought it, I also love toolboxes, tackle boxes. I guess this one's this a Union? It is. This one's a Union. And inside are some vintage reflectors, bicycle reflectors. There was this is a generator, tail light, Timken bearings, pipe cutter, totally keeping that. Flare tool that has a broken piece, but flare tool is all there. This reflector is pretty much why I bought the box, because this is glass, so this reflector alone will be worth pretty much what I spent at the auction. Then I got a couple Briggs kickstarts, and then these two I bought for the gas tanks, because I think those will fit the little scooter that we're working on. So that's what I brought home. The other 14 inches or whatever we ended up with are at Dad's. We dropped those off, so I think I did pretty good. I'm having a real hard time letting that go, but I think I can get pretty decent money out of it, so it's gone. I was just in here taking a few minutes to kind of clean these up, see if I could see what they are. This one says Lawson built. I think they built hit miss stuff. I don't know. Somebody, one of you know. And this actually says, right here, it says Montgomery Ward with a model up there. This one, I thought the housing looked Cushman. The way that this is shaped looks like Cushman. So I went to hunting for the Husky tag, and there it is. So we got two Husky engines in that pile of the 14 engines for $30. So we paid $2 a piece, and this one actually feels like it has pretty good compression. That one does not. So that's kind of exciting. This is the one I was thinking the tank might work for, her little scooter. Pretty rough shape. I don't know if you can see down in there or not, but I'll be able to make one of those work. So I bet that one will run. Anyway, I just thought that was kind of interesting. I think I mentioned before, both of these are the Briggs. Let's pull this one up a little bit. Badging is still here. It's just kind of hard to see, but it's there. So that's kind of cool. Got two Huskies out of that pile. Now we just got to come up with some projects to build around them. Part of the fun in picking and going to auctions is the things you find. The top drawers of this cabinet are relatively clean. Then you come down here. Somebody was living in there. So I'll take those drawers all out. I'll clean the inside of that cabinet out before I list it. That'll be all cleaned up. Good as new. With patina.